If you want to customize a lock screen magazine on OPPO Find X9, in that case we can open Settings. Now over here we're gonna go to Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. And over here we can swipe up in order to find the lock screen settings. So we can choose this option, and then in here we have the lock screen magazine. When it's enabled, you have a bunch of different options that you can use. For example, you can allow this feature to use mobile data to update wallpapers. Of course, you can also turn it off, so when this option is disabled, only Wi-Fi can be used. Over here we can also go to Preferences in order to choose categories and that you want to see as wallpapers on the lock screen. So for example, I can disable everything, and let's say I'm going to choose games and fashion and entertainment, and there we go, we can go ahead and save it. Besides that, if we go to Carousel Wallpaper Settings, we can choose if we want to see those recommended wallpapers, or if you only want to use your own wallpapers that you can add over here below. Besides that, we can find preferences once again. This is the same thing, and we can also display text on the lock screen. So these are descriptions on the lower part of the lock screen. So if I now go to the lock screen over here, as you can see, we have new categories selected. Of course, this time actually didn't change to another. There we go. And at the bottom we have this text that I had shown you in settings, this one over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.